episode's a treat where parents and teachers together meet. Let's laugh, let's learn, let's make the day bright. Parent-teacher talks, it's gonna be alright. Tune in, every episode's a treat where parents and teachers together meet. Let's laugh, let's learn, let's make the day bright. Parent-teacher talks, it's gonna be alright.
Hello, and welcome to Parent-Teacher Talks with Priscilla. Today, our topic is raising lifelong learners, how to make every moment a teaching moment. Hi, parents. Welcome back to Parent-Teacher Talks with Priscilla. It's been a little while, but I'm so excited to be back. Today, I want to talk about something that's so important in raising children, creating a learning environment at home. We all want our children to succeed, but learning isn't about school. It starts at home. Every moment can be a teaching moment, and we as parents have the opportunity to make learning something that is natural, joyful, and faith-filled. Setting a routine for reading and learning. The simplest way to encourage a love for learning is to read with your kids, whether it's a bedtime story, a Bible verse, or letting them choose books that interest them. Reading creates a foundation for lifelong curiosity. Try making reading a daily habit. Even 15 minutes a day makes a difference. Faith-based learning. The Bible is the greatest book of wisdom we can give ourselves and our children. Beyond reading stories, we can use scripture to teach values, kindness, patience, faith, and perseverance. A great verse to share with kids is Proverbs 4:7. Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get understanding. Encouraging curiosity and conversation. Instead of just giving answers, ask questions. If your child asks, "Why is the sky blue?" instead of answering right away, say, "What do you think?" and explore the answer together. Encourage curiosity. Let them learn through experience, asking questions and making mistakes. It's all a part of the process. At the end of the day, learning is a journey, not a race. A parent's or our role isn't just to give knowledge, it's to nurture curiosity, faith, and a love for growth. Let's make our homes a place where learning is a joy and faith is the foundation. I'd love to hear how you encourage learning at home. Message me or share this episode with another parent who might need this reminder today. If you know of anyone who is interested in listening to this type of podcast. Also, if you have any questions, if you need any information, feel free to contact me. Put your answers, your comments in the comments, or you can message me at Priscilla1971 at AOL.com. Thank you for listening. God bless you, and have a wonderful, wonderful week.
Thank you for tuning in. We're so glad you came. Parent Teacher Talks with Priscilla will be back